Now I'm signing up as a student, for example student. I will put in a password, and now I'm a student. I'm ready to sign up. Sign up. I'm part of the class, and I can see that as a student. I'm part of the example class. I'm part of the example elementary school, and there is one assignment I need to do. It's ready to start, and it's due in 9 days. As a student, I can start doing the challenge. Clicking the assignment opens the challenge. I can start from here, or I can start from here. The structure of the challenge is always the same. At first, you watch the video, and the video is split into parts. As a student, I'm also able to choose the language of the video translations. I choose Spanish, and it changes the transcription of the video. Students with all the different languages available here are able to follow the challenge. After watching the video, I'm able to continue, and I am rewarded with experience points after every activity. All of the challenges have the same structure. First, you watch the video, then you do. Then you watch another video, and then you do some more. Always watch and do, watch and do. Here was the watching part. Let's go check the doing part. In this specific challenge, we will learn how to use vector shape tools. I will not complete the challenge now, but I will just give the basic idea. I'm a student now, doing the challenge, following the instructions in this video, which I can still open from here, and also the written instructions are available here. After I am happy as a student, I click Continue, and I am again rewarded with experience points. This way, I complete the full challenge. After that, this assignment is done.